In 2023, we saw the first ever Soapbox Rally race right here on Colchester High Street. 42 fearless teams started their soapbox journey outside the town hall. And if they were skilled, lucky enough, they'd make it to here, at the finish line. Along the way, they navigated obstacles such as the kart wash and the dreaded soaper soakers. And no soapbox race is complete without a ramp. The racing entertained thousands of people, those who use booster seats and those with bus passes. Some lining the high street, others watching on one of our big screens in Culver Square, in Castle Park, here in Lion Walk, streamed live on Facebook, and across the county live on BBC Essex. And we have some great news. We are back for 2024 and ready for more splashes and crashes. Sunday the 15th of September will see action and thrills as we step it up a gear for this year's Soapbox Rally. If you're thinking to yourself, I'd love to do that, well, now's the time to put your soapbox where your mouth is, because entries for this year's Soapbox Rally are open now. Build your own kart, dress it up. In fact, dress yourself up. Use some of that structural engineering knowledge of yours, or just throw some bits and bobs together from the shed. But if you're not the racing type, more the watching type, come and cheer on our brave and bonkers teams as the soapboxes head down the high street from 11 AM on Sunday the 15th of September. Watch trackside or on our big screens around the city. Now, if you don't mind, it's time to get in some practice. See you soon!